Good morning. Today I am going to discuss the first chapter of Civics for class 7th. The name of the chapter is Democracy and Equality. All of us know that the word democracy means rule by the people. President Abraham Lincoln of the USA has defined democracy as the government of the people, by the people, for the people. The form of government in our country is representative democracy, in which the people govern themselves through representatives. The key elements of democracy are: first, the people's participation in the government; second, the people's freedom to express their views and criticize the government; third, the people's right to get equal treatment. A democratic government works through a system of voting. In representative democracy, there is franchise, or the right to vote and to choose representatives. Every democratic country has a fixed voting age. In India, all the adult citizens who have reached the age of 18 years have the right to vote, no matter whether they are men or women, rich or poor, educated or illiterate. In a democratic country, a government is formed for a fixed period of time. After this, there are fresh elections. In India, elections to the central and state legislatures are held at least once in 5 years. Now, let us discuss about political party. What is a political party? A political party is an organization of people who have similar views on political issues. Every party's aim is to contest and win the elections and form the government. The party which wins the election and forms the government is called the ruling party, and the other parties form the opposition. Apart from democracy, we also have two other forms of government. They are monarchy and dictatorship. Monarchy is a form of government in which a monarch, that is, a king or a queen, has the absolute powers and the power to rule for life. After the death of the monarch, the eldest child, usually the eldest son, becomes the ruler. Dictatorship. In this form of government, the power to rule rests with one person or a small group of people. Such power is often obtained forcibly. Democracy gives maximum freedom to the people. It even allows the people to change the government that cannot satisfy them, which is not possible in monarchy or dictatorship. It is often said that there is no democracy without equality. Hence, in most democratic countries, all the citizens are given equal rights and opportunities, and discrimination on the basis of race, religion, wealth, language, and caste is discouraged. India is also a democratic country, and Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality to all the citizens of the country. The rights given by the Constitution of India are as follows. First, all Indian citizens are equal before the law. Second, all Indian citizens are socially equal before the state. Third, untouchability is illegal and punishable. Fourth, the state cannot give any citizen any title that would give the recipient any special social privilege. Our government has given the right to equality, but it is only formal. We still find many examples of inequality in the society, like the poor people cannot afford to get medical and educational facilities because they do not have enough money. Another example of inequality is the ill treatment of the Dalits in many parts of our country. If there are inequalities, there are also struggle to win rights. One such struggle was the struggle of the displaced tribal people of Madhya Pradesh who fought for their rights and won their rights. There are several laws in India to protect the citizens' rights to be treated equally. There are also laws to prevent the unequal treatment of persons who are in disadvantageous positions. The Indian Constitution has given special benefits to the Dalits to help them gradually attain a social and economic status equal to that of the rest of the society. Social inequalities are not unique to India, but we find them in many other democratic countries too. Example, there is still some discrimination against African Americans in the USA. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 forbids discrimination based on race, color, religion, or national origin. Here we come to an end of this chapter. We shall meet again with another chapter. Thank you.